Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. Probably, like many of you, I've found the experience of being on lockdown a bit of an emotional roller coaster. I've been very up and down over the last few months, and again, like many of you, I've had good days and I've had bad days. The other day was very definitely one of the latter. For some reason, I just got to the stage where I didn't want to be around people anymore. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I didn't want to see anyone. I didn't feel like helping anyone at all. And the culmination of all of this was that, to my shame, I ended up shouting at my wife and children, "Just leave me be!" If you leave somebody be, you basically don't disturb them or interfere with them in any way. For example, you might be driving and you might have a child in the back of the car who falls asleep. When you come to park the car, the child might still be asleep. So maybe one parent says, "Hey, let's just leave him be. I'll sit in the car and wait with him or her until he or she wakes up," because you don't want to disturb the child in that kind of way. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel, and see if you can think of examples of when you might use leave somebody be in the comment section below.